In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add Google Drive to iPhone files. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you need to go to your Apple Store in your iPhone and download the Google Drive first. After doing that, you'll be able to check the Files app at your devs, and you can click there to open the app. When you do that, you'll be able to check the home page of your Files app, and you can see and change everything once here. You can check the three lines right here at the top corner at the right side. You can also check the recents right here at the bottom, share it, and browse. You can click right here in the browse one, the last one option. After doing that, you'll be able to check the browse menu right here, and you can check locations, tags, and much more. But you just want to know how to add Google Drive to iPhone files. To do that, you can just click right here in the 3 points at the top corner at the right side. You can click there. After doing that, this tab will appear in your screen, and you'll be able to scan documents, connect to server, and edit. You can click in edit right now. After doing that, as you can see in this location section, the drive will appear right here, but the drive is marked as off. So you can just click right here and mark as on, and he will be enabled, like this one right here, they are green. So you can just click there and clicking done right here at the top corner at the right side. So, when you do that, your Google Drive will be added to your iPhone files. Until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to add Google Drive to iPhone files. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.